Success for me would be getting the respect from people when you deserve it, or even knowing when you're wrong to ask questions and figure out how to fix it from others. And I find that's success in my opinion. My name's Melanie Gunch, and I'm a welder fabricator. I'm from Kitchener, Ontario. 2018 is when I started. My mom and dad got me interested in welding and fabrication. I was in a snowboard program and took a class in it, so then I decided to go into it full time. Most of my family is in the same line of work. I like LiftSafe. It's a good place to work. There's a variety of things that we get to build, and you get to try new things often, so I enjoy it. There are definitely people around to help you out and to ask questions and be there to support you. I would have to say having those Red Seal welders there to give the proper information to others and to be supportive, and any of the Red Seals, it doesn't matter whether it's your trade or another trade, you learn so much from them. So having them there to support you is a good thing. I would have to say for women to have some thick skin. And just to listen and to learn from others, but also ask a lot of questions while you're at it. I think it has improved a fair amount for women, but other times it's still difficult to be a woman in the trade. I was lucky because my dad works here, and so he was able to help me along, mainly in class when I didn't know what I was doing. My dad would bring me in here to practice welding so that I kind of could kick the boys' asses in class.